The road pathway up and through the trees on the side. We go past to take a look. We see afar is a gateway. A gateway to what? The West Arm. And we'll head up there. We'll take a look and see what is up there. So come follow me. I'll take you to it right now. Now, viewing the sign of West Arm Provincial Park. So here we are with a look back of the West Arm Provincial Park. We'll take a look around and see what is new. Let alone seeing the view up over here. We'll have to go past this gate so we can take a look at what's just over there. Now we made it over here. Let's go do some sightseeing and see what we can find. I hear some water. Where is the water? Let's take a look. I see some. Just looking over there. Take a closer look up. At a Fall Creek. I'll zoom in so you can take a look. And just splashes over the rock where those trees are. There is also another area that this water heads to. Where? Right down. Over into there. We'll take a look at that too. This is just right next to the gates. And then we'll head on up, back, way up there in a bit. Let's take it this way and see what that thing is right over there. It's a structure of some kind. Just right here. Last time we didn't get to see the structure. So here we got the structure in with this one. It's like a water holding structure. Limestone and other rock-like stuff in this. But see? The sun away. Right about there. And if you look down more, I can walk over here. You can see what appears to be is tree with mushrooms right there. It's like a big bulb-like mushroom seen just right there that I'm pointing at right there. So that's something very new that we have not seen. Very eye-catching too. That is a mushroom. Just to let us all know. It looks pretty unique. Including, now we get to see the structure up close. Right here. We'll head on up. Oh wait, I see something. A squirrel. The squirrel is eating something, as you can see. Luckily, I caught that within this video. What's he eating? Maybe a pine cone or something. How interesting. That's something you don't see every day. Yeah, it's something you don't really see. Is squirrel running and stopping and having a munch on believed to be is a pine cone of some sort. Okay, we're gonna head up and you'll see is a sign. We saw a sign down there. There's a sign that's just like right up there that we'll take a look at. It's just right up there. Right up there. It is an information shelter. It even says on it is what park information. And it reads it right there. It has like a map and other things right down here too. Oh, right there. So this is actually one of the readouts. Just some there. So you from down there, and then up to over here, and then you get this. There's nothing on the back except for what appears to be. Do not know what that is. It has hearts and a word that I cannot make out. Whatever that is, I have no clue. Interesting. How interesting. Let alone, we got some pathways that we could, like, take. There's a pathway right over there that we could just head on up. We'll see what's over there. So let's go take this pathway. Not for too far, and then we're going to come around and west arm our way up over here. And circle over here as well too. Anyways, let's all take a look over here. We'll walk this way and check out what's over here too. Okay, so here you get to see some flowers. And on the way there you see is of a puddle that's like almost like a mud puddle. right there. So you'll see back there. We'll take this pathway here and we'll see where this may lead. We got one big boulder rock with a mossy cap onto it, which you'll see just right over there. We'll take a look. And that's just me. Checking at the bottom. And then we got this over here. A spider's web. And you can kind of make out there. Take this pathway. So you won't see me for a bit. We'll just take this pathway up for a bit. And get through here too. You'll see some moss coming to view time by time. We've got some pretty mossy areas. Got some colorful leaves. You can kind of make out there. It's not fall, so why the color change? How interesting. Okay, let's see here. What else can I find? Upturned roots. Heading up from the ground. Heading up there, probably from that tree. I'm guessing. Okay. You know, it's that. We also appears to be we have some old growth here too. I will repeat. We have some old growth up here. Let alone some other. What is this I see? Right there. I believe that over there down here are some feathers. A different kind of feather. Like white feathers. See, that's right down there. Right here. These fluffy white feathers. We've got a bunch up here. A little bit there. Whoa. That's definitely something, seeing white feathers in the midst of the greens, the browns, and earth tones. How interesting. The wonders of nature. That's why I like being one of nature and doing videos of nature, because one part is different from the other. Let's see what we can find more further up from here. We'll go up there, up to over there, and then we'll make our way back. Won't go too far. You see some rocks in the area here, just down here. Gotta be careful how I step here. It almost looks like a jungle. Woods and jungle. Well, we got leaves that look like they came from the jungle. Now there's a, so we're just gonna come up over here. Let's go over there. We can't go like too far, but look, before we do, look, we got leaf color change from here. Well, check up here too. So we won't like go too far. I just wanted to just show you a little bit of this. I'll just stop here so I can take a look. Right there, the sun is right up there, as you can kind of make out where the treetops are. Right there. Look down here. You see some logs that look like bone, especially the ones over here that look like bone structure, and the right color of it too, just by the looks of it. But yeah, it really does look like the right kind of bone color and style too. Kind of like gives an eerie kind of look to it, especially if you see the ones from over here as well too. Okay, so we're gonna get away from this trail. There's trails up here. We'll go to the other trail, and then we'll have to head back down and connect with the other trail that we could take a look up. This is kind of a little briefing up over here. There's this trail that we could travel along over here and check out over there, and then we'll make our way back down to this trail, heading down. So let's head down to this trail. Except for the cough there. Okay, so where does this trail lead? Wow. Here we go. It's just a mysterious looking white rock. Right there. It's kind of like, you see this white top of the rock here in the midst of some of the rock-like grains right there. And then you get the white cap, which is just right there. You even got some just on the ground where I walked, just right over here too. Isn't that something? Wow. Take a look over here. This log here, you can see that it has lines onto it. Almost looks like veins. They kind of like have its own kind of story to tell. That's just deep down from the bark. Right there. You can see all these lines. It's pretty interesting seeing something like that underneath the bark of a log like this. This is the most biggest log out of the other ones that we've seen just now. Okay, down the log and down here. And what is this I see? But a log that is like resting up on a boulder. See the look from here that we looked at, heading down here, is resting up on this boulder right there. I find that quite interesting, how it looks like that too. We'll take this pathway still. And you can see the same log too. I'll make sure I don't go too far. I don't want to get lost. Don't want to get lost today. We'll repeat. I don't want to get lost today, so I won't go too far on this. But at least take it for a little bit, and then connect to the trail that I took in walking up over here. Wow, how interesting this pathway is. It gets a little rocky just right about there. It's not like walking up Pulpit Rock. What is this thing here? Look. It's like old man's beard, but in a different kind of look to it. How interesting. You can see old man's beard here looks a little different over here. Old man's beard or hair? I have no clue. Huh. Interesting. Just look at that. I'll put it right back, right to over here. The trail goes on for quite some time, but we'll have to head back here quickly. Okay, looks like we need to head back here. Not gonna walk for too far, so we're going to actually not go down that far. We have to head on back and connect with that trail, going in a different direction this time, and heading up to where you see me pointing with my finger, heading up in this direction. Not here. It was just out there. So anyways, we're gonna head back to connect with that trail. So yeah, West Arm Provincial Park definitely has a bunch of trailways, as you've just seen. Heading on the nature side of it. Wow. Quite the hike though, too. Excuse me. Don't worry, that was just me. It wasn't a bear. I repeat, it wasn't a bear. It was me. Oh boy. Never had that happen before on a video. Wow. Well, exactly. Yeah. Anyways, let's keep one with this trail and head on back where we need to be. So I'll give you the like thumbs for that one. Okay. Let's take this trail up and connect where we need to be. Including these these changes. I'll have to take this way. And so I didn't go too far, just so I know exactly what a route that I took up. So yeah, I took a route that I can remember, so that way I can easily get back to it. We didn't go too far, but at least we saw like pretty unique things, earth finds, nature finds, colorful finds, some flowers, some water, and interesting naturific signs, basically, from rocks, logs, and ground, and certain other as well too. Okay, let's stay along this trail here. Where it takes us, it'll take us back where we need to be. Okay, so heading on back down. Gotta be careful as I walk over here. That's why I'm going sideways. Tip, make sure you go sideways if you're on stuff like this. Like that. That's just me going sideways. Walking down. Like this. Fancy footwork. Then we get this. And next look back, we'll be going up to this spot of what's that spot? That Willow Lodge Point. We'll take a look at that and see what has changed over the time as well too. Anyways, and that's about connected to where that sign is, right down there. Exactly. Okay, so all eyes straight forward. Thumb about here. Heading back now. And then heading out of here. Closer you can see where the sign is. Which is just coming up right about there that I'm pointing at with my finger. Right there. Back at that pond right there. There's back at that sign. Now we're going to be heading up. Next is that trail, like I said. That I'm putting at right there. Make sure we get that sun. We're going to head in that direction. For not too long. In the same line we'll see is some flowers. Here. And some blue like flowers seen here. A little bit of flowers. Back to the pathway here. We'll back up. Let's look through here carefully. You can see some water right there. Goes way down to over there. There. And then there almost looks like an X symbol. No, not an X, a cross symbol. Right there. As you can make out. Right down there. Here's some more water. I believe it's through here. And look what I found. Whoa. Okay, gotta go. Bees are coming. Almost had a bee come in my direction, so I had to get out of there. But it's pretty interesting to see that thing over there. We gotta go back now, just zoom in at that there. It's right over there. I'll zoom in. Wow, it's like a hidden spot of some sort. Hidden spot giveaway. So I was chased out by a bee. Yeah, I was chased out by a bee. LOL. That's okay. Pretty soon we have to head back. Well, at least it gives a chance to have you to take a look at the West Arm Provincial Park. They're gonna go up too far. We'll have to head back now. But at least we got some great scenery and footage of the look back for this year to West Arm Provincial Park. And we'll do another look back at that point. I think it's a Willow Point Lodge. Yeah, it was Willow Point Lodge. We'll take a look back for next time. We'll see what things have changed over there. And I also wanted to say that, thinking that this weekend we'll probably be heading out to Caslo. So there's something to look forward to on that as well too. So I have a friend in the area that came back and said that we're going to meet up again and head out to Caslo so you can see the Caslo stuff. You know, the things that we have not seen and the things that we may have seen as for lookbacks for this year as well too. And seeing what has changed from back then. Back to that sign. And we're going to head on back. Because here now we just hit 34 minutes and counting in this video. Again, thank you for watching this video. Again, hope you enjoyed my other vlogs as well too. As is, got some news that I just recently boxed video 1 and video 2 of the Canadian Summer Fun Time trick videos. Today I'll be doing the third one and the fourth one and the fifth one. It's only 5 with 21 tricks and magic. I'll give you the date when I know exactly. I'll be putting it in as so too. Anyways, some other spots we have not seen in between, including this. So we'll have to take a look at. Right there. Wow, it almost looks like a cave, almost, but different. It has the right shape and right form and right style. You can see rocks on the inside. And like there's like a dome, like cave of some sort. And the same line, we get back to the falls like water here. From over here to right to like over here. That is right there, that structure right there. But then I found something. That I have not seen before, just right over there. What is that? Let's take a look. I think it might be a grave. I don't know. I got a great feeling that it might be. Stone. Let's take a look. It's just right there. What is this? Oh yeah. Yeah, I know what this is. This is a vault. Guys, I just hit a vault. A grave vault. Right there. Where this scary looking eerie tree is right there. This here is a vault. So now I just exposed a grave vault block. Right there. Wow. And that was too bad I didn't see that till now. Right there. Right, that thing is right there. I'm taking a picture of this. So yeah, this here is a grave vault. How did it make its way up here? That I would like to know. Where these eerie, scary looking trees are. See. Whoa. Like seriously, I just saw a grave vault. Right there. Who knows? This place could be haunted. I heard others have told that this spot was once haunted at one point. It could still be, including that vault, that grave vault seen just right there. Again, I do not know how it made its way up here in the first place. Right up there. Grave vault. Way the heck up there. Wow. And another squirrel is to be seen scampering on the ground. Eating, you think, a pine cone, like the other one. Wow. Yeah. Oh, speaking of that, I'm thinking all we'll do is, like, we'll do another round of going up to the graveyard a little bit, but doing something completely different with that. That is like, since we seen this, actually I wanted to probably go and investigate not just the local graveyard, but on something completely interesting. And that goes into like, you see that, because I saw a grave vault up there. Reminds me of thinking on heading back to the graveyard a bit, heading up to the mausoleum, because thinking on like heading back to the church thing and then making it like a combo, like I don't know what to call that kind of adventure. But this much I know, we're going to actually do that, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that. It's like usually you'll find like urns in a mausoleum, not into a church, but I don't want to give off spoilers. So, anyways, that is it for this video. Just gonna throw that one out there as well too. I will see y'all back for more lookbacks, adventures, and a castle adventure very quickly here soon, probably this weekend. Holding us chilly, race, peace, love, and blessings. And I'll see you back for our Canadian Summer Fun Time series. Okay, I'm gonna end off with hopefully nice scenery. It's all tree-like over here. Let me see. How about let's view where we head up to bring this video to a close. Just right about there. So you can see the sign and the gate where we entered to go up there. I'll see you soon.